Hi people, we have a zone 6 pin. It's a Euro cylinder and it's locked. Got a working key for it. For this I'm using a normal standard hook, and if we get it open quick enough we'll see if we can gut it and see what's inside, because I'm sure there's a few security pins in there, a couple of spools. Counter rotation there. It's false set, look at that false set. And there we go. Picked. There we have it. And let's see if we can take this off now. Take it apart. See what we've got inside. Takes a bit getting it off, but now we have it. Unfortunately, I locked the cylinder back up when I was moving on the latch here, but now that I've got it back open. Yeah, I'll just move the camera here. Let's move all the springs out the way. So we have one spool, another spool, another spool there. So we've got 3, and here we go. We've got serrated. I don't know if you can see that. See the inner grooves. And there we've got 2 up here. So I'm quite chuffed with that actually. I really am. I'm really quite chuffed with that. Over here we've got where the pins have fell out. Silly me, not being careful there. But there's your normal pins. But one's missing actually. Oh, one's still in there. But yeah, I'm gonna I've trouble now repinning this. But it was fun, and I'm glad I've seen what's inside there, and that's been giving me a lot of trouble. But yeah, till next time guys, cheers.